Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix YouTube slow loading and lagging in Google Chrome. So it's pretty simple. You guys have to simply follow me and I'll tell you how you can fix it. So you guys have to simply go to the settings of Google Chrome. So after coming to settings, you guys have to simply go to this system section. So in the system section, you guys have to simply enable this option which is use hardware acceleration when available. So after toggling it off, you guys have to simply tap on relaunch. So it will again reopen the Google Chrome. So after reopening it, now you guys have to simply go to this extension setting, and here you guys have to simply disable all those useless extensions which you have used earlier. So after disabling all those extensions, now you guys have to simply go back. So after going to back, here you guys have to simply go to this privacy and security section, and here you guys have to simply click on the clear browsing data. So after tapping on that, here you guys have to simply tap on the time range and make it all time. So after tapping on that, you guys have to simply tap on clear data. So after tapping on that, your all previously data will be erased and your all bugs will be fixed in this way. I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.